Yeah, sorry if you hear something behind me. I have a 3D printer going. Just found out something that was pretty cool. If you see, I have a shape here in Fusion 360, and I want to replicate that shape more or less exactly as it is. Now, the best way you can do this is to use the points in 3D space. So I did that. Let's see if I can find a sketch. So you see, when I watch it from the right side, it looks perfect. And that's basically how I modeled it. I did like this, made a point, made a point, made a point, made a point, and I'm in sort of in. This is how the sketch looks like when you see it from the right side when I drew it. But problem comes when you want to create something with it, and you look from the other side because you're drawing in 3D space. It looks like this. Now, how do you get everything on one single plane, one line, one axis? Um, I found one way to do this, and that is that let's just first close down that one, and then I turn on origin, and you find the origin plane here. So you select the origin plane you want to use. In this case, I want to be on the green axis. See here, I want it to be on the green axis. And then I go up, after I mark it, I go up to construct and I create offset plane. And then leave it at 0. And then turn off origin. And now I have an offset plane at 0. So I disable the model, right click on that offset plane, create sketch. And now I have a sketch that revolves around the whole 3D space in that plane. Now, how do I get these points here? And that is, I want all of them to show in the same sketch, but at the same axis. So here, and then I need to find the model I have. Let's see, is it that? No, I didn't put names on this. There it is. So you make sure you're on the right space, you're oriented on the side, and then you click P for project, and you can either just select all the lines like I have done here, or if you also want the dots, you have to select them manually. Actually, there is another way to do this. You can just click select, freeform selection, just draw around it like this. Voila, now we have selected the points as well. And I don't want this, so I'll unselect that one. And then you click P for project. Now I have 51 selected. I don't want this. Uh, anyway, I'll remove that later. So I have all of these selected now, and then I click OK for project, and you see I get. Remember, I'm working on the sketch on the offset plane. And now I can go in and I remove the previous one, remove that one because I don't really need it. And what happens now is that you can go in and you can see if I show this from the right side, it now has aligned all the points and the lines according to the right side, and it's actually all here. And if you rotate it, haha, they're all perfectly aligned on an axis. So if you now want to, let's say you want to revolve this sketch, you can do that. Like this. So I want to revolve that. Solid. Revolve. So I want to just remove this so I can. Actually, that didn't work so well. Anyway, you got the idea. that's how you bring it into just one axis on one line. Basically use project. Thank you for watching.